In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp AI tutorial, how to use ClickUp for beginners in 2026. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your workspace. You'll land on your home or inbox area. From here, look to the left sidebar to find your spaces. A space is a top-level container for a team, department, or project category, and it keeps everything organized from the start. Choose the space you want to work in and open its settings. If you don't have a space yet, create one now by giving it a clear name and color so it's easy to spot later. Inside the space settings, you'll see options that shape how work happens across all the folders and lists within that space. Next, click Browse Templates. Templates are the fastest way to launch a clean, consistent setup without building everything from scratch. They can include statuses, custom fields, views, docs, and even basic automations, so your workflows feel polished from day one. Use the search bar to find a template that fits your needs. You might look for project management, marketing, CRM, product sprinting, personal planning, whatever matches your goals. Open a template preview to review what's included, like the statuses, example lists, and sample views. Make sure the template is designed for a space or matches where you want to apply it. When you're ready, click Use Template. ClickUp will open a setup screen where you can confirm the location and import options. Then, click Use Template again to finalize. Give ClickUp a moment to apply everything. Larger templates may take a bit longer. Once loaded, you'll see your space instantly populated with folders, lists, and views tailored to the workflow you selected. This saves hours of manual setup and helps your team start working consistently right away. With your space ready, you can also create your own personal task inside it. Open a relevant list and add a task with a clear title. Set a due date, assign it to yourself or a teammate, and choose the right status. Use the description to outline the work and add subtasks for multi-step items. If you have access to writing helpers, you can draft your task description faster, then edit it to match your tone. Keep tasks bite-sized and actionable so they're easy to track in border list view. That's it. Open ClickUp, configure or create your space, browse and apply a template, and start adding tasks. Follow this flow and you'll have a structured, ready-to-use workspace in minutes.